Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Mediapad T5, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this device. Get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now we're looking for the power saving toggle. If it's visible right here, then press on it, but I don't see it by default. So let's see if we can add it by pressing on this pencil right here. Still no luck. So it looks like we might need to go through settings and then into the battery section. Oh, there we go. So here we have the battery, and that being said, power saving mode has been enabled for me since the beginning of this video. As you can see, the toggle is right here, so power saving mode. If you want to enable it, you just toggle it on, like so. It gives you then the pop-up, turn on power saving mode. This mode limits background app activity, disables email autosync and system sounds, and reduces visual effects to save power. So I'm going to select enable. You can also select this box right here to never bring up this window again, and enable. And there we go. It lowers down the brightness, as you can see a little bit. So there we go. Once you're done with it, you do need to navigate back into the battery section and turn it off in here, because for some reason we don't have the toggle added or even the ability to add it into here, which a little bit of a bummer. Makes it a little bit less convenient. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.